All right, good afternoon, everybody. It is about 3 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and there's actually a lot of good trades today. Obviously, you're going to be watching this video after the market closes, but as you know, or if you heard, the tech market really got smacked pretty hard today, whereas the overall market was not down that much. But the tech market just got absolutely killed, at least on an intraday basis, and we're seeing some of those issues coming back up. Okay, so let's talk about a couple of these. Now, if you recall yesterday's video, I was talking about NTES and Nvidia, right? I was saying on weakness, I would be looking to buy this market, okay? Now, as you can see, look at Nvidia, opened up and just right out of the gate, sold off pretty hard. Let's take a look at an intraday chart, and I'll show you exactly what I did. It certainly wasn't up in here, okay? It was down in here. Same thing with Micron Technologies, which I just entered a call position on that as well. So I've got a couple tech positions here and the call options going out January, okay? So I'd like to go out at least 45 days, right? So that would put me, since it's the 29th of November, we're going to the January 19th expiration. So that gives me a solid 45 days from right in here, okay? I like to do at the money or a little in the money, okay? 1 or 2 strikes below, right, at the money. And so look at, let me just show you what I did here in, you know what? I actually put on an Amazon call trade as well, and that's actually a really good trade. This could actually be a day trade here. But I bought this when the market came down, when the price was at hit about 11.51 is when I bought the January 19th calls. I bought the January 19th call, and that was the 11.50, I believe, at the money. Bought that at $42.67. It's trading at about 48 right now. So that's, so far we're getting a nice bounce. So I'm keeping that trade into tomorrow to see how far we can run back up. But the Nvidia trade, I don't know where my pencil, I can't find anything on here. It's a new version of TradeStation, so I apologize. So Nvidia bought a January 19th call option as well. That was just recent. So that was when the underlying was traded at 195.60 roughly. So Nvidia, I bought that at $11.61, and I believe that was the 195 strike price. Okay, and then yeah, so the Amazon, Nvidia, right? And we did the Nvidia and the MU. So for those of you that are looking to potentially put on a trade tomorrow, I would seriously look at all 3 of these. Now, if Amazon, now that's a rich stock. That's rich, no doubt. But again, remember, buying the call options like trading, right? Buying 1 share, right? 1 call option is equivalent to 100 shares, right, of the underlying itself. So if you bought it at $42.67, you're only putting up about $4,300, just under $4,300 to put 1 trade on. But this very, very volatile stock, right? Amazon, because of the price level, of course. But I think MU there's a good situation here. I think granted, we really broke down. But again, what I want to point out here is the 2-bar RSI. We are going to be closing below 10 on the MU. Same thing with Nvidia. Okay. Currently trading at $2.07 or 207 on the RSI. So we've come up from this low. So again, long both these, right? So you got Amazon, Nvidia, and MU. So let's see how these shake out. Let's just revisit a few trades. Look at Starbucks. Big move today, of course, as the market moves lower. This is going to move higher, right? And I told you 2 days ago to be looking to buy this. That was trading at about 55.91. So we're up almost 2 full points from there, right? ADMS. Take a look at this. I mean, remember when I pointed this one out? Right down in here before the explosion to the upside, right? Market pulled back beautifully between the 11 and 21 exponential moving average. Nice support area. Didn't quite get oversold, but still a place nonetheless to be buying, especially when you get these breakaway gaps right in here. Not able to fill those gaps. When the market came down right in here, not able to fill that gap at all. That's a good trade. Okay, gold down obviously a little today, but I am bullish on gold. Tesla, I took off the Tesla trade today. I held it a little long. I actually lost money on that because this actually was a December expiration. And since we're nearing expiration, the time erosion into that. So I definitely lost money on that. More than break even. Lost, again, it was a rather small trade, but lost a few hundred on that trade, definitely. Microsoft, remember I took off half the position. I took off half this position yesterday, and I've got the other half still on, and we'll see how the market reacts the rest of the day and into tomorrow. And let's just take a look at CMI. Remember, we bought this at 161.82 or 163.84, so up about 3 points on that. And that's about it. If you've got any questions, let me know. Hope these videos help. Any input would be great. Thank you. Bye for now.